Hey guys, making some authentic Philly cheesesteaks tonight. Gonna use the Blackstone on this one. Uh, Authentic's gonna be Amoroso rolls. Gotta have them. Shaved ribeye. My wife found this at Wegmans. There's also shaved steak you can use, but I'm going for an authentic, so I want to make sure I got ribeye. I got 3 of these packs. On the first 2, we're gonna have onions on them. These are yellow onions, and you cut them up. You don't dice them. You cut them up like julienne style. Sorry, julienne style, I think it's called. Just like this. You'll see them when we cook them. We're going to cook these with the meat, not ahead of time. And some provolone cheese. Hopefully we got enough provolone. We'll see. There might be another pack. So, letting this warm up. We should be ready in a minute here. We're going to start out with the onion flavor, or onion style, and then we'll do some plain ones. So, right back. All right, start with one of the meats. I'm going to try and squeeze 2 sandwiches out of each packet. As soon as it goes on there, kind of chop it up a little bit. Yeah, I think we'll be able to get 2 out of here easy. As it cooks, you're going to be able to shred it a little bit easier. Throw in some of these onions. A little more. And it's chilly and windy out. So you want to cook the onions with the meat, so you get the onion taste right in there with them. Just gonna let those sit. Okay. Mix them up. You don't want to see any more red in the meat. And you don't want to dry it out either. So they're getting there. All right, we're looking good. Nice and juicy. Separated into 2 piles. Pretty much like that. Get our provolone. Just like that. Now what we do is take our buns, open them up, put them over like a tent. That'll also help to melt the cheese. I like to push it down a little bit. All right, then we just scoop it. And flip. And we get all the goodness off. Whoa, get off of there. So you got us the onion version. We put these inside. Okay. Let's see if we can make 4 piles. That's alright. And I think we're going to run out of provolone. We're definitely running out of provolone, so we'll make some American too. Woo. Alright, those guys are done. Let me tent these guys, I'll take those off. Ooh, nice. Huh? That's how you do it. So we got 2 provolone, 2 American, and then in there we got provolone with onions. So let's plate one up. Alright guys, here we go. This is this one's one of the American ones. Oh, drop that. Yeah, super easy. Now people do put peppers on there, mushrooms, and some other stuff, and that tastes good too. But for a Philly cheesesteak, it has to be provolone American. You can use the whiz. That does taste good too. And that is a Philly thing, but it's mostly, I don't know, most people around here just get provolone or American. A lot of people do onions. Super easy to do. Didn't take that long. Was this video 5 minutes? You can use ribeye, or you can use cheaper just shaved beef. Comes in those same packs. think those are about $5 for a little bit less than a pound. These were a little less than a pound, but they were like $12. Or you can just get your own ribeye and cut it into, cut it real thin. But with the easy route. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Lots of good stuff coming up. Hit that like button, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.